how to make a new Venmo account with same number. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can basically make a new Venmo account with the same phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you already have a Venmo account with a certain phone number and then you want to create a new account with another phone number, right, with the same phone number, maybe you're trying to create a account over here, then in that case just let me tell you that you will not be able to do this, because according to the Venmo you can't use the same phone number for two different Venmo accounts. Each Venmo account requires a unique phone number and email address to maintain account security and individuality. You can create a second Venmo account for personal use if you have a business Venmo account. So as we did earlier, if you basically had a business Venmo account with that same phone number, you can create that Venmo account for a personal use, or if you had for personal use, you can create for business account. But if you're trying to do the same one, you can't basically, you go ahead and then basically use it. So hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.